Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Tips to improve your nutrition and manage symptoms of brain tumor. Brain tumor can be malignant, meaning it is cancerous, or it can be non-cancerous. The tumors are graded from 1 to 4 and this depends on their location, how fast the cells are multiplying and the spread to adjacent areas or organs. As per reports, brain tumor stands as 10th most common tumor in India. Along with the necessary treatment, including chemotherapy, medications, etc., eating well through treatment is of prime importance. Good nutrition helps to maintain strength and optimize immune system, decreases loss of muscle mass, promotes healing following treatment, and may even help prevent treatment delays or dose reductions. There can be several issues case and patient specific which can be caused due to the tumor or the treatment, like vomiting, fatigue, diarrhea, constipation, mouth sores, fluid restrictions, for which a nutritionist may help to deal with planning strategies around the treatment. Being diagnosed with a brain tumor can change your relationship with food because of the way your body can tolerate meals. You should know how to eat well and manage symptoms of brain tumor. Nutrition tips for brain tumor patients. Patient can suffer from decreased appetite during treatment, and the following 5 steps can help ensure that proper nutrition is achieved. First, eat small and frequent meals. Ensure regular meal or snack times. Second, add a bedtime snack. Third, calorie-containing fluids between meals. Fourth, opt for nutrient-dense foods. Fifth, take nutritional drink supplements or make your own, that is, whey protein and milk or juice, etc. Following are the guidelines that can help tackle symptoms. For nausea and vomiting, limit foods with strong odors, eat small and frequent meals, consume bland foods that are potatoes, cheese, hard-boiled eggs, curd, etc. Avoid overly spicy, greasy, or sweetened foods and fluids. Try ginger tea or ginger water, etc. Stay upright for more than 30 minutes after eating. For diarrhea, eat small meals which are often easiest to tolerate. Try bratty diet, bananas, rice, applesauce, toast, yogurt. Eat bland foods. Avoid greasy, fatty, or fried foods. Drink plenty of fluids, non-carbonated and caffeine-free. For constipation, drink plenty of fluids, try prune juice, non-carbonated, or drink a warm beverage. Adopt bowel regimen and add some activity to your routine. Gradually add fiber to your diet as tolerated. If bloated, avoid gas-forming foods such as beans, broccoli, cauliflower, onions, garlic, etc. For fatigue, use of oral nutritional shakes may be of benefit. Sore mouth, cool or room temperature foods often easier to tolerate than warm. Use soft, tender foods. Use a straw. Eat non-acidic foods and foods. Avoid alcohol-containing mouth rinses but practice good oral hygiene. May consider use of mouth-numbing rinses prior to eating. Food suggestions. You can try apple puree, paneer, mashed vegetables, nutritional or milkshakes, smoothies, cooked cereals. Maximize foods that you are able to eat to maintain your strength. The goal is to maintain a healthy weight. You should try to incorporate all food groups into your diet when feeling well. These were some of the tips to ensure that patients get proper nutrition from diet while also helping them to manage symptoms of brain tumor. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.